Hey kids! In today's video, we'll be learning about magnetism. Are you ready? Let's begin! Have you ever wondered why magnets attract certain objects and not others? Well, by the end of this lesson, you'll have a solid understanding of what magnetism is and how it works. What is magnetism? Magnetism is a force that attracts or repels objects that contain iron, nickel, or cobalt. These objects are known as magnetic materials. Magnets have two poles, a north pole and a south pole. Opposite poles attract, and like poles repel each other. How do magnets work? At the atomic level, magnets work because of the alignment of tiny particles called electrons. In a magnet, these electrons spin in the same direction, creating a magnetic field. This magnetic field is the invisible force that surrounds a magnet and affects other magnetic materials within its reach. Types of magnets. There are two main types of magnets: permanent magnets and temporary magnets. Permanent magnets, like the ones on your refrigerator, always have their magnetic properties. Temporary magnets become magnets when they're exposed to a strong magnetic field, but lose their magnetism over time. Examples include paper clips when touched by a strong magnet. Magnetic field lines. To visualize a magnet's magnetic field, imagine invisible lines around it. These lines represent the direction in which a magnetic object would move if placed in the field. Magnetic field lines always flow from the North Pole to the South Pole. Uses of magnets. Magnets are used in countless everyday objects, from your phone and computer to credit card strips and MRI machines. They're also crucial in generating electricity in power plants and even in compasses for navigation. How to make a magnet. You can make a temporary magnet by rubbing a magnetic material like iron or steel with a strong magnet. This process aligns the particles in a material, giving it temporary magnetic properties. Magnetism is the force of attraction or repulsion between objects with magnetic properties. It's all about the alignment of tiny electrons in the atoms of these objects, creating magnetic fields. Now here are fun facts about magnetism. The Earth's magnetic field. Earth itself acts like a giant magnet with a north and south pole. This magnetic field is generated by the movement of molten iron in the Earth's core. Earth's magnetic field protects us. Earth's magnetic field acts as a shield, protecting our planet from harmful solar radiation and cosmic rays. The strongest magnets. The strongest magnet created in laboratories are often made of rare earth elements, such as neodymium iron boron magnets. And that is all for today's video. I hope you enjoyed learning about magnetism today. Take care now, bye-bye! If you enjoyed the video and want to see more videos from us, please click the subscribe button. Also, give us a like. That will help us. We thank you so much and we do hope that you enjoy our videos. See you soon!